Week 21. Welcome back to the Mentorship. So today we're going to talk about prop firm challenges or your personal funds in trading. And it really depends on what markets you're trading because some you'll need more money. There's certain rules. If you're doing stocks, you need a certain amount of money or a cash account to day trade, right? Otherwise, you're limited to 5 trades a week. So let's dive into it. Today we're going to talk about futures and all of this because that's where most of my experience is, although I do options and stock trading. But this mentorship was built around futures, although it can be used in other markets. So first things first, either way you're risking money, whether you're risking whatever the price is of that challenge account or you're putting money in your own account and risking that in an actual play. Right now, if you are just starting out and you haven't actually traded yet, I recommend going to prop firm account for one reason. You could risk, let's say $100, or if you get it on a discount through Apex, you can get it as low as $16 for a 25K account, right? So you're risking $16 to learn and potentially be able to trade with 25K capital. Now, again, there's a trailing stop loss, so the argument is, do you really have 25K in capital? Well, you're managing on a 25K account about 1,500, right? That's your max stop loss before you blow your account. So starting out $16 to potentially, if you pass your challenge and then get a payout, make up to $1,500, $2,000, right? Is a much better risk to reward than a personal account where say you put 25K in and you're trading with it and you're trying to make 1,500, 2K, right? But you go wrong and now you actually lost 2,000 and now you're out $2,000, $1,500, when if you just did a prop firm challenge, it could have been $16 you're out, right? So that's why when I switched to futures from Forex, I went the prop firm route because it allows me to risk less money and get used to bigger numbers, and then take those profits, push it to my personal account, long-term investing account, right? I move my profits from prop firm into new ways of making that money make money for me, right? So that is my plan. Again, you got to choose your own thing. This is not like, I'm not telling you the right way to do it. This is what was right for me, and I saw that the risk in using a prop firm was much smaller price tag than trying to save up and scrounge money together to fund my own accounts. That is why I would go to prop firm route, and we'll dive into the Apex page in a second. Links are down below in the description if you want to get the discount codes already added in. Okay, so you go down below, click that link. Again, the promo code will be attached, so whatever the biggest code is right now, you will automatically get that added into your cart when you check out. And right now they're running 80%, so you'll have 80% off. I use Tradeovate. Reason for it is I use TradingView my whole Forex. 4 years I was trading Forex. I like TradingView, right? Well, Tradeovate, these plans link into TradingView, so I use that. Downside, they do not copy across multiple accounts when you are on TradingView. So I do trade one account at a time, and actually it helps me better. So I have different accounts at different capital levels. So I don't blow all my accounts at once if I were to ever blow the accounts, right? So now I could bounce back and forth, and that way I could keep taking trades and know, like, this account, I took my 2 trades, this account's done for the day. Let me go to the next account. Is there a setup? Trade it, right? And I just kind of rotate them that way. Anyways, so Tradeovate, it's a little more expensive, but again, I like the TradingView integration. I don't like Rhythmic, how it's set up in a NinjaTrader, all that stuff. So these are, where are they at? Right here. So these ones are cheaper. You can see without the discount. So Rhythmic, 1,500, 4 contracts. I do micros on these accounts because I'm able to scale in and out of my trades and not just have max risk with 4 contracts, right? I usually do about 10 micros, so 1 contract, but again, allows me to take profit and, actually trade how I want to instead of just one contract and holding it. So they're 147 a month for the Rhythmic. Again, 80% off right now. Link down in the description. And if you go to Tradeovate, 167. So a little more expensive, but again, I'm willing to pay that. It's just a little more for being able to use TradingView. Now, you can see here on these, it goes with NinjaTrader. So you got to use NinjaTrader with the Rhythmic. I just don't like the software. It seems just drawing and executing all that stuff. It's just not easy on that platform. So I like TradingView, Tradeovate, hand in hand, perfect combo. I'm willing to risk this amount because I don't need 25K. So now if you pull this up real quick, so here, as of November 2023, the minimum capital needed to start trading the E-mini S&P 500 futures, the index, you need 12,650 for one contract. So that's 10 micros. And then there's a maintenance of 1150. So you need this capital just to trade, right? So you can't even really get into futures if you don't have this much money ready to go. So again, that's why I went the prop firm route. Forex, I could put in whatever money I have. You get the leverage, right? 100 to 1, 50 to 1, whatever leverage you're using. You're able to use smaller amount of money and make more money. Not the case in futures. So I like trading the futures market. It seems my edge plays out a lot better there. So go the prop firm route. Again, long run as I build up my personal capital. Maybe prop firms go away. Have my next egg over here that I could trade, right? Because I've been saving the money over there, ready to go my personal account. So back to this week's, the last advice for you. If you're going to go live, if you're going to start doing a prop firm challenge, whatever it is, stay relaxed. That's supposed to say when you are live with a period, but I was working on this late. So stay relaxed when you are live. End of story. Be relaxed, stick to your rules, and have that system in place. So in a couple more weeks of kind of wrapping up the mentorship before we dive in hands-on in the chart every episode, and I break down how I'm trading, my thought process, what I'm looking for. We'll start getting in the habit of reading price action and executing. When you are live in the charts, if you're not already, you have a calm system in place, holds you accountable for trading. Have a good one. Peace.